Hello and welcome to a new video. I hope you're all well. Today I'm planning on fitting side blades and showing you how to do so yourself. If you didn't see in the last video, I bought a ton of new stuff for the car, one of which was side blades, and I thought it'd be quite cool to do a little video on how to fit them because they are super easy, but I do see quite a lot on the forums that no one knows how to fit them. Hopefully this will give you an idea of what it's like and how easy it is. I imagine from what I've seen on forums, it's really easy. So these are side blades. Well, these are normal sills. These are side blades. So you see the difference? These are completely flat. These stick out a little bit. The Audi S4 ones stick out even more. But these are just S-line, so they'll go here. Now the way you do this is there should be 2 screws, as you can see there. Screw hole there, screw hole there. On the opposite side of this, there are 2 screws. There we go. Oh, that's gone. One thing to remember is you cannot lose these screws. They are ridiculously small. So I'm going to put them on the slider. Amazing. Now hopefully these should slide. Whoa, that was easy. It's just a case of getting this lined up. Like that. So there you are. That is how you fit side blades to your B6 A4. I imagine it's exactly the same on the saloons. I imagine it's exactly the same on B7s. I don't know if B8s have the same style. It's pretty easy. 2 screws on each door, slide them out, put new ones back in, maybe clean off the rails like I did, because you will get gunk grow on there like it did on mine, and then that'll just end up with rust problems from moisture. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos to come, and enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.